I love how the dog grabs his mane.
Come on, boys.
Are you getting a video?
Yes.
Yesterday, today, we leave tomorrow. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful country. Yeah? You live there? Yes. Yeah, nice. Yeah. Camping? Yeah, nice. And where do you live for Bonancy?
So cute. They're happy to be out, free and playing.
Austria.
Super cool.
Austria.
Get them.
Joe.